Tadsay Waterfall is about 15 kilometres outside the Luang Prabang. It's reached by road and then a short canoe trip. It's a series of low falls forming numerous rock pools. Empty in the dry season, the pale foaming water cascades through forest and from rock pool to rock pool. It's a popular spot with both locals and tourists. Elephant rides are one of the features. Thrill seekers are loaded onto elephants which seem to enjoy swimming, mostly underwater, with tourists clinging on top. Another feature is the zip wire ride at treetop level. The ride covers about 1 kilometre in 10 stages. The longest stage is about 200 metres. Tadsay is a popular spot and well worth a visit.